Gemini CLI is a coding agent that lives within your terminal. It is completely free to use and open source, so you can use it as an alternative terminal coding agent to Cloud Code, Codex CLI, or Ada. I want to show you how to get started quickly. First, you need to visit this repo. You can find a link in the description of the video. Over here, they have a quick start guide. To get it installed, you need Node 18 or a later version. To install the Gemini CLI, you can use any of these commands. I will select this option because I want to install it globally on my machine. Let's launch Cursor and paste the command here and press the return key to run it. We should wait for a moment. In the next step, it will ask about choosing a theme. You can select any of these themes, but I prefer the default one. Next, you should select how you want to log in. Let's leave it as login with Google. So I'm going to select my personal Google account. So the installation has been successful. You have noticed here we can now type a message and start using the Gemini CLI tool. This is a path to a GitHub repo I was working with previously. So let's ask a question about it. So since we are in this repo, let's ask Gemini to summarize the last update made to this repo. I'll press the return key to allow code execution. So you have noticed here, it provides information about the last update to the repo. It shows the commit, the author and date, and a summary about the update. To verify to see if this is correct, let's go to GitHub. The changes were made to this repo. So over here, you have noticed I added a commit message, adds iOS YouTube Live clone. That is the same as the summary provided by the Gemini CLI. Next, let's see if we can generate a Swift UI code. We want to create a fully functioning and beautiful Swift UI drawing app using the PencilKit framework. So I'll press the return key. You have noticed here, it has drawn a spline. So it is going to create a drawing view.swift and also content view.swift for the drawing app. Let's say yes. So you have noticed here, it was able to generate the Swift UI code for the drawing app. We have two files, content view and the main app file